What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. That's my videographer right there. But yes, we are in the kitchen of the property that we just bought. That's my business partner right there. And we are laying out the kitchen right now, and we're getting a quote from my team of contractors over there. That's my homie, Ms. Noel. He holds it down and makes sure that everything gets fixed up and ready to go. We spent about $350,000 for this property. We're going to put in about $75,000. 2 units were done and ready to rent. Other 2 units actually are incomplete, as you can see here. So we're doing the kitchen, the floors, we're redoing that entire bathroom. And after we're done, the value of this particular property will go up to probably $525,000 to $550,000 in that range on the low end, and the high end we'll be able to do a cash out refi. So this is the BRRRR strategy in action, meaning that you buy, you rehab, you rent, you refi, and then you repeat the process. And so we're so excited about this deal, and it's unfolding as you see right in front of us. So if you want help learning how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily deals. Teach you the multifamily map, how to actually find deals. Then I'm going to teach you the multifamily math, how to quickly evaluate them, and then finally the multifamily mindset, which is how to actually think about deals in the right way. That's the biggest blockage for people. All the tactical stuff, that's out there. You can watch that on YouTube, etc. But the mindset, that's where people's blockage is, and I want to help unlock that for you. So go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I got a webinar coming up soon, and I'll talk to you later. All right? Much love. Peace.